In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn $100 every month as a WhatsApp influencer. This is the exact step I have used from 2021 until today in making money as a WhatsApp TV influencer, right? What I'll be sharing with you in this video is a guarantee that you can create and own a profitable WhatsApp TV if you apply all I'll be sharing with you in this video. Do well to watch this video to the end. I'm going to be giving you my WhatsApp marketing manual for free just for watching this video till the end. I want you to think about this. Assuming you charge $5 or $10, right, to post adverts for people on your WhatsApp. All you need to make $100 in a month is 20 people if you are charging $5, right? And only 10 people if you are charging $10, right? So this is quite easy and fast to do. And that is what I want to share with you step by step in this video. I have done this quite well. I have people who have done this. Some of my friends that have WhatsApp TV, they are cashing out from it. And I want you to become part of those people making money by advertising for people on WhatsApp. All right. So before then, you have to put in the work, and this video is to guide you in showing you the work you have to do. So there are different steps I'll be sharing in this video, and we'll be going into the video fully right now. The first thing I would do if I'm starting a new WhatsApp TV afresh is to get a new phone and a new WhatsApp business account. All right. So you can use any of the other WhatsApp, but WhatsApp business is the best suited for WhatsApp TV business. All right. So that is the first thing. And the kind of phone you should get is a phone that has good RAM, good processor, and have enough storage. All right. Because there is a limit to the contacts your phone can bear. 8 RAM is very good. All right. So you can choose any phone of your choice. All right. So that is the first thing you need to do. A new phone and a new WhatsApp business account. But if you already have a WhatsApp business account and you already have audience there, and you're a business person, probably an affiliate marketer, a course creator, an influencer, an entrepreneur, whichever thing you're already doing to make money on WhatsApp, you don't need to create another account, right? But make sure you have a good phone. If you are creating entirely new WhatsApp account, there's a video I created on how to create a WhatsApp account, a WhatsApp business account. I'll link the video in the description of this video. All right, so you click on that video and watch it, right? Because you need to get the process right so that you don't start and somehow on your journey you lose your account. Once you have done everything, the next step is to brand yourself on WhatsApp. So what it means to brand yourself is, what do you want people to know your WhatsApp TV for? Okay, so if you really want to make money, the people that spend money on ads majorly are business people. All right. So affiliate marketers, content creators, course creators, vendors, they love to advertise on WhatsApp. All right. So if you brand yourself very well, you can attract them. Let me give you for an example. On my WhatsApp, I basically teach people how they can become productive, how they can make money, how they can become successful, and adding other things about my personal life on there. All right. So if you know I teach how to make money on consistent basis, I give content on how to make money, teach people how they can become productive, teach people how they can engage in personal development. All these things shows that a person is ready to invest money in themselves. And there is another WhatsApp TV that is giving content on sports bets, giving content on relationship, giving content on things happening in the music world. All right. So if you are a business person, who would you like to advertise with? Of course, you would like to advertise with me, knowing that I'm training my audience to become that people that love to spend money. So there are people that their WhatsApp TV is just about comedy, skits, and all of that. So the kind of audience those people train are audience that don't value personal development, right? So branding yourself on WhatsApp is the first and most important thing you should do if you really want to make money, all right? So I made it in such a way that if you come to my WhatsApp, you know that this WhatsApp is all about personal development, finance, business, success in life. Do you get it? So, and I back it up with the content I put out on daily basis on my status. So this is an assignment you can do as you're watching this video. Probably you have your jota with you. Write out 10 things you want your WhatsApp TV to be about. Right? So it can be money and finance, business, sales, marketing, personal development, relationship. So you write like 10, all right? You want your WhatsApp TV to be about. Then I want you to choose 5 and focus on that 5. You give out content. So other things I'll be teaching here are things that you will have to do after you have branded yourself. You say, okay, this is what I will be sharing on my WhatsApp TV. This is what my audience will be enjoying. All right, because that's what I will now be showing you other things you should do with this niche that you've branded yourself. After you've made the decision to brand yourself on a particular niche and content that you'll be giving out, one thing I didn't do when I was starting out on my own WhatsApp TV, which I'm about to advise you, is the third step. I want you to go and build organic audience on other platforms. All right. Now, WhatsApp is more like the end of traffic. All right. Most business people that close sales, they will generate traffic from other places and bring to WhatsApp. Now, WhatsApp has some form of limitation. All right. You can't possibly reach up to 5,000 people on your WhatsApp, right? As you are starting out, even in 6 months, just from your status, you can't. You might be able to do that through WhatsApp group, which we'll also be discussing in this video. But I want you to go and start building on other platforms so that all the other platforms can be a form of traffic for you. You get, for example, I have a YouTube channel. You are watching this video on YouTube. I have 6,000 subscribers on YouTube. So I can put out a video and that video will reach up to 1,000 people. And that 1,000 people might follow me to my WhatsApp. So I'm not spending money to run ads to bring people to my WhatsApp TV. You get it? The same thing goes on Facebook. All right. So there are people that have 20,000 followers on Facebook. You will see them before you know it, they will direct people to your WhatsApp. So as you are building your WhatsApp TV, make sure simultaneously what you'll be learning in this video, apply it on Facebook and YouTube. These are the 2 places that will be very good for you to build on other platforms: Facebook, YouTube. All right. Build right there. So what I was doing on WhatsApp was what I started doing on YouTube. So the WhatsApp is more like I write, I post pictures, I post pictures, but YouTube, I post videos. You get, even this video I'm creating right here on YouTube, I've already taught it before on WhatsApp. You get, that is what I want you to do. That is if you are intentional. Not everybody, if you're not intentional, you can do whatever you want to do. But if you're intentional, this is what I would have done when I'm starting out. And as you can see, I already did it again from last year, right? When I started out in 2021, I did not do it, but in 2022, I started it, right? So right now, I'm also building even on my Facebook to build audience, all right? Make sure you have another social media platform you are also building on, which can be a source of traffic, organic traffic, right? So that you don't keep spending money to generate leads to your WhatsApp TV. The 4th step you should take in building a profitable WhatsApp TV that will make you at least $100 every month is to begin to generate leads to your WhatsApp TV. All right. So I'm going to give you one example and you are going to download or read the rest on my WhatsApp marketing manual. Now, for me, when you are generating leads, you have to generate leads using something that is related to the niche you have chosen. You get to attract the kind of audience you want. You get it? So let's say I want to attract people that are interested in business, interested in finance. What kind of lead magnet do you think you use? Lead magnet is just like a free gift you will give to people in order to come to them. So one of the free gifts I can create to attract people who are interested in business is I can create a video, all right, to show people how they can earn $3 daily, all right? So I can create a video on that and give it out for free, all right? When people come into my DM, I give them the video, they save my contact, they become part of my WhatsApp audience. Now, why did I choose $3 daily? So that lead magnet I'm using is a lead magnet that has to do with money. So that anybody who is not interested in making money will not come to me. Do you get it? So let's say my WhatsApp TV is about sports. What am I going to use for lead magnet? I can use, okay, I'm going to be sharing, teach you guys how you can watch sports news, sports matches, and all of that for free. Do you get? That is a form of lead magnet. Do you get it? So the lead magnet you are going to use to generate leads must be in line with what your brand, what you have branded your WhatsApp as, right? So if you want to learn more on this, make sure you stick to the end of the video so that you will get access to my WhatsApp marketing manual. The 5th step to creating a WhatsApp TV is having the relevant skill it takes to run that TV, right? The relevant skills. And some of the skills you need is content creation skill, graphic design, video editing, right? These are the 3 skills you might need. and you don't need to know so much about them, right? Just the basic skills you need. Just learn how to put text on pictures, how to put pictures on the background. If that's all you know, it can be enough for you to run your WhatsApp TV. But one that you cannot do without is content creation, right? So how to write content, right? Because you will have to structure what you teach. So on my WhatsApp, if you check my WhatsApp and you go to my catalog, some of the things I teach on WhatsApp, I will convert them to my catalog, right? There was a time I taught how to save money on WhatsApp. You get it? There was a time I taught how to invest yourself, the best investment you can make. So these things, I take our time to create all of these contents, all right? And I will now share them on WhatsApp at any time I want to share, right? So as of the time I'm doing this video, as a series, I'm starting how to increase your value in the market, right? And make more money. You get. I'm going to teach that on my Facebook, and I'm also going to teach that on my WhatsApp. So if I don't know how to create content, written content, video content, right, I will struggle in this thing. So you will need these skills, right? Graphic design, video editing, content creation skills. At least be a good writer, know how to seize the moment. Like, people don't just like coming on a WhatsApp TV and it's just boring, just teaching. So as you teach, you know how to add a little fun to what you are teaching. All right. And one of the ways you can also do this is, screenshotting other things that people post on other social media platforms, especially Twitter. So I can find people who are in line with the brand, with the niche I've chosen, right? When they post their tweets, I can screenshot it and put it on my WhatsApp and have something to put out there. So you must always have something you put on a consistent basis on your WhatsApp, right? So that's one thing. You need these skills, right? So without these skills, you cannot run a profitable WhatsApp TV. The sixth thing you need is value creation. So you have a skill now, so use that skill to create value and be consistent in it. When I started my WhatsApp TV, there was a series I did on WhatsApp, how money enters bank account. I did that series for like 2 weeks. I was teaching on business, money, value creation, sales. Do you get it? After I taught that series on my WhatsApp status for that 2 weeks, on the third week, I marketed a product of 5,000 naira and I was able to sell over 100K. Do you get? So why? I was asking some people, okay, why did you buy? One of the lady that was following my WhatsApp said, and my WhatsApp has become like a school of money for her, where she learned about money. So, and she saw the importance of personal development. So she went ahead and paid and joined the class. Do you get it? So you have to create value on a consistent basis. You have to create value on a consistent basis, right? So if you're someone who don't like creating value and looking for free money, just like talking rubbish, you can't run a profitable WhatsApp TV, right? So you have to learn how to create value on a consistent basis. I taught all of these things in the WhatsApp marketing manual, which you are going to get access to. The seventh thing you need to do to have a profitable WhatsApp TV, what makes a profitable WhatsApp TV are the audience, profitable audience, right? So the seventh thing you need to do is to create a digital product. Create a digital product. So for example, let's say you want to attract affiliate marketers. The product you can create to attract affiliate marketers is how to run Facebook ad, how to run Google ad. And when you create these products, you give it out for free, right? So it's basically the same thing I said on generating leads. So these are the things that will make people, first of all, come to your WhatsApp TV. And when people see the kind of product you create, right, that will also increase the value of your TV. For people to say, okay, this guy's TV is a good TV. It teaches several things on money, marketing, and all of that, right? And they would like to do business with you. So once in 2 weeks, if you're starting out, every 2 weeks, create a digital product and give it out for free. You can do this in a simple way. Just come on YouTube, find videos on YouTube, recreate as many as you can in your own unique way. Like, learn 1 or 2 things from YouTube, create it and use it to generate leads to your WhatsApp, right? So when AI portrait picture came out, I created a video on that, put it out on my YouTube, used it to generate leads to my WhatsApp, over 1,000 persons. You get? So you must learn how to create a digital product and you give it out for free. Okay, so sit down, say, okay, in this month, every new month, say, okay, these are the digital products I will create and I'm going to generate leads on these digital products and I give it out to people. Right? At least 2 digital products every month and give it out for free. All right, and you use it to attract people. All right, so there is a lady, Marvelous Ben. All right, so she created a digital product ebook on algorithm for Facebook. Right, and that ebook has reached over 10,000 downloads on Seller. Guess everybody who was coming to get that ebook was coming to our WhatsApp. So I can say that she has over 2,000 people probably viewing her WhatsApp status currently, right? All she did was to create an ebook and gave it out for free, and the ebook went viral and people downloaded it, right? If you are doing this kind of things, ebooks is good, videos are good, resource lists are good. So let's say you want to attract graphic designers. So create a graphic design resource list where they can find fonts, pictures, images, colors, and anything that can attract graphic designers, and you give it to them for free, right? Once it is free, you will attract people to your WhatsApp TV. Then the final point I'm going to be giving to you is join free classes, join challenges, join anything that you see that is related to your niche. Any money making class that is free, join. Money making class that is paid that you can afford, join. Join there, network with people. So as a WhatsApp TV, because you own is to attract people. So when I started out, I joined so many WhatsApp groups, right? Then there was this WhatsApp marketing strategy that was existing then. I used it to connect with people on that group, right? So you join as many groups as you can and network with people, save people's contact, people save your contact, you know people, people know you, right? So when you're starting a WhatsApp TV, one thing I want you to avoid if you are going to be joining groups and all of that is don't call yourself a WhatsApp TV, right? My name is God's Will. That is what my WhatsApp TV is. Most people, once you tell them I'm a WhatsApp TV, they will not save your contact. They just feel like WhatsApp TV people are nuisance. Do you get it? So you have to know that. So even if your WhatsApp is all about making money, all about sports news, all right, it's not good for you to say I am a WhatsApp TV. Just call yourself God's Will. Oh, I share value on my WhatsApp and all of that. And the way you optimize your WhatsApp catalog, all right, determines how people are going to see you and perceive you, all right? So make sure you organize your WhatsApp catalog if you're going to be joining groups so that once you network with people, the first thing people check is your profile picture, right? So if these things aligns with their own value, they will save your contact and network with you. But if it doesn't, they will not want to network with you. Do you get it? So make sure you join as many WhatsApp classes, groups that you can afford to join and learn and network with people in those classes. All right, guys. So thank you for sticking to the end of this video. If you got value from this video, I would like you to subscribe to my channel. If you have not, like, comment in the comment section, and make sure you share this video with somebody. Share it with your own audience. If you're a WhatsApp TV, share it with your own WhatsApp group, please. As much as you can share. Just tap on that share it anywhere that it will be of value to people. All right, so I thought you'd be getting my WhatsApp marketing manual for free. So you are going to see the link in the description of this video. Click on that link. It will lead you to my WhatsApp. Automatically, the WhatsApp marketing manual will drop in your DM, or it will direct you to my Telegram channel where the book, my ebook is. All right. So also I have a course, a master traffic course. All right. So I taught a lot on how to generate traffic, professional way of generating traffic. I showed my strategy of creating videos that will hook people and attract them to you. Right. I showed all my WhatsApp automation strategies, and you also get contacts of WhatsApp TV influencers that you can also be part of their WhatsApp and join classes from there, right? So I have a lot of contact that are very valuable people that you can learn from. So you can get all of these things in my master traffic course, right? It's just for 5,000 naira as of the time I'm doing this video. So check the link in the description. You will find it there on seller. Click on it, buy it. Once you buy it, join my Telegram channel, or you can reach out to me to ask further questions. Right? Until then, see you next time.